story time, but this time it's different. It's called The Little Duckling Who Wouldn't Get Wet. This is a little duckling and who didn't want to get wet. He's like, oh, I don't like that water. I'm not getting wet. The little duckling wouldn't get wet. No, not yet. This is the mama duckling, I think, and this is the baby. The big duck patiently explained that all ducks must swim and encouraging the little duckling to jump in the pond. But the little duckling would not get wet. No, not yet. So he's like, no, I'm not going. No matter what, I'm not going. And the big duck trying to make him get in the water. Hey, how come we didn't flip? That's my question. So the big duck tried to push the little duckling into the water, which no success at all. This is him trying to push it, but he couldn't do it. Then the duck called for the cat to help. Oh no, I don't know what's gonna happen now. He's calling for the cat, I guess. Let's see. Oh my, this is gonna be so funny. The cat pushed the duck, who pushed the duckling, who kept one little web foot firmly on the ground. This is the cat that's pushing the mom, and the mom is pushing the duckling. Look, only one bit to almost survive. Like this part of the battle fall off. I wonder how else is gonna happen. Oh my god. Wait, this is interesting. So the cat called the dog, who pushed the cat, who pushed the duck, who pushed the duckling, who stood firm. Look at this. Have you ever saw a dog so close to a cat, or a cat so close to a dog? I never saw that. That's interesting. Well, this is the dog pushing the cat. The cat's pushing the older duckling, and then the mom duckling is pushing the duckling. Wait, did I call it the dog duckling or something? I don't know, I forgot. Oh my god. This is going to become interesting. Then came the turkey, who pushed the dog, who pushed the cat, who pushed the duck, who pushed the duckling, who wouldn't give in. This is the turkey pushing the dog, making the dog feel like his duckling's the strongest because he like almost died. And then the dog pushing the cat, and the cat is pushing the mom, and the mom is pushing the duck. Oh my god, he only has one more foot on. Guys, guess how much animals there's gonna be? So right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe the next one question, I don't know. Probably. The turkey, the dog, the cat, and the duck kept pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. The duckling was about to topple over when the turkey screamed A wolf, a wolf, a wolf. I think that's just a trick. I don't know. This is the. Oh, these are the same animal. I don't think that's actually true. There's a wolf. I don't know. Oh my god. This is so funny. And everyone jumped into the pond. No, not everyone. I'll give you a hint. That's the duckling, the only one standing. And then all the other ones fell. Get this. The duckling's like the smallest one. And when he said, woof, 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 everybody else jumped in except the duckling. And this was funny. Because he's never going to return. It's actually like the wolf. The turkey, the dog, the cat, and the duck shouted, jump, duckling. It's the wolf. But the duckling didn't think about how wolves eat little birds for a snack. The duckling thought the wolf was one more animal, a big, sharp-toothed, hairy animal who wanted the duckling to jump in the pond. And the little duckling wasn't ready to get wet just yet. So this is the wolf licking the duckling, and then these are the friends saying, duckling, jump into the pond. I wonder if he's actually going to jump. Oh my god, that's so sad. Like, I don't know. The duckling jumped not into the water, but up in the air, and which all it might bite the wolf's nose. The wolf ran away in nothing flat. Oh my god, look at this. How would a duckling hurt a wolf? It's like, and he's like eating the nose or something. And he gets scared. It's just a pinch from a duckling. The turkey, the dog, the dog, the cat, and the duck, drenched and embarrassed, left the little duckling at the edge of the pond. They're all embarrassed except the duckling, because he's like, I'm not little and I can do everything. Oh my god. And now the sun is shining and warm. The air, the little duckling has made up his mind. It's time to get wet. And he just went. That's so funny. He's like, I'm not getting wet. And when they're gone, I'm gonna go in the pool. I mean the pond. The end. I hope you guys like it. And make sure to hit the thumbs button and subscribe and hit the notifications. Bye!